Maybe you already have an Amazon Echo Show device and wonder if you should get one of these new fancy ones, or keep the old love you have become so accustomed to. Or maybe you are thinking of joining the Alexa family. Whatever the situation, this should help your decision. Here is everything you need to know about the Amazon Echo Show generations. Timeline. The various Amazon Echo Show devices and their various generations were not exactly released in sequential order. And this is something you will find familiar among many tech devices. Of course, for those tech geeks out there who have been able to secure a successive line of tech gear, you can let us know if you have come across any such chronological release of devices in the comments section. But in the meantime, the Amazon Echo Show devices have had an inconsistent set of release dates. For instance, specific devices belonging to certain previous generations were released later than their immediate predecessors. Now you can imagine that all these devices came with upgrades and modifications, but we will touch on those in a moment. Let's start with the very first generation of Amazon Echo Show devices. This was released in June 2017. After a year of waiting, the second generation was released in October 2018. So they released the other second generation devices, or the third in the next year, right? Not exactly. The following year, between June and November, the first generations of the Echo Show 5 and 8 were released. The second generation of these two devices was released in 2021. Still, the Echo Show 10, the first representative of the third generation, would precede them in February of the previous year, 2020. 2021 was a great year for both Amazon as a company and its customers as multiple devices were released. In September of this same year, their latest Echo Show, the Echo 15, was released. As the newest member on the block, you can be sure it came with some fresh goodies for the Echo Show lovers. It is also worth noting that in between all of these, Amazon also released a kids' version of the Echo Show 5, which was pretty well received. Differences. Before we get into the various modifications and development of these devices over the years, it is worth noting that the Amazon Echo Show 15 will have its own special review before we end this video, because it is the best of them all. Or is it? We will get to that in a bit. And so, starting with the parent generations, there isn't much difference between the first and the second. The most significant difference between the two is the screen size and resolutions. The first gen had a 7-inch screen with a 1024 by 600 resolution, while the second gen had a 10-inch screen with a 1024 by 800 display. Other than these, they both shared a 5MP camera and an Intel Atom X5Z 8350 processor, which enabled them to become great tech at their time. The Echo Show 5, the smallest device of them all, is even more similar in features. Its screen size, resolution, and MediaTek MT processors remained intact. The only thing that changed was its camera megapixels, upgraded from 1MP to 2MP. And of course, being as portable as it is, users can place it anywhere in the house or the office. The Echo Show 8 came across as the darling of the Echo Show devices at its release and still is for many. And this is especially true for its second-gen love. For its medium size, it received a major upgrade in its camera department. From its 1MP sensor, it jumped to a whopping 13MP camera with an auto-framing feature. As PC Mag put it, Amazon's second-generation Echo Show 8 Smart Display offers just the right balance of price, performance, and size. While we are at it, you might want to click the subscribe button and enable your notification bell for front seat access to our exclusive tech content. Hit the subscribe button now to never miss out on updates and the newest releases. Moving on to the Echo Show 10. This device also featured a 13MP camera. It is a formidable device with 3 key features. Firstly, a wide-angle camera that positions you in the center of your pictures and videos, thanks to its digital pan and zoom features. Secondly, it also came with a motorized base that allows it to follow your movements in a room. Thirdly, it also featured an Alexa group calling feature that lets you engage in a video chat with up to 8 people. These unique features of the Echo Show 10 are powered by the combined strengths of a MediaTek 8183 and an Amazon AZ1 processor. Prices. The prices of the first and second generations of the Echo Show are significantly reduced now. One customer recalls, Echo Show First Gen is a great bargain now. I just snagged a used First Gen for $25 plus shipping. On the other hand, the other Echo Show devices may knock off a few dollars from you. For instance, the Echo Show 5 Second Gen is currently going for $84.99. The Echo Show 8 adds a few extra dollars and climbs up to $129.99. Both the Echo Show 10 and 15 share a similar price of $249.99 on Amazon. Echo 15. The Echo 15 sets itself apart as the most unique of all the Echo devices thanks to its wall-mounting feature, an upgrade from the countertop designs. It comes with added features such as the ability to identify different users and adapt to their personal customizations with the help of the Visual ID. All of these happen on a 15.6-inch, 1000 AEP display, surrounded by a large picture frame-like bezel, which can look like a painting when not in use, as put by PC Mag. This smart display feature of the Echo 15 is so unique we made a whole video about it. You can check it out here. Let us know with a thumbs up if the Amazon Echo Show has been one of your favorite devices so far, or a thumbs down if you have other tastes. See you in the next video.